everyone, Joana here. Welcome back to day 30 of this awesome 100 rep challenge. Today is our last day. I'm super excited. For the last day we have the hardest and challenging exercise ever. We're doing push-ups. We'll be doing them from the knees. Of course, if you want, you can do a full push-up. I'm gonna do them in a modified version from the knees, but we're gonna do 100 reps. Are you ready? Yes, you are. This is the last day. Give me your best on your knees. And from here, we're doing push-ups. Ready? Off we go. Stretch. Okay, we'll be doing 4 more sets of 20. It's gonna be hard, I'm not gonna lie to you. It is hard, I am struggling. This is one of my hardest exercises, but I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna just keep pushing. Second set of 20 reps. Off we go. And 40. OMG. Third set. Go. And 60. Oh. Fourth set. Off we go. 80. 1. One last. Oh my God. One last set. Can we do it? Yes, we can. Ready? 20 reps. Off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 10. Eight, 9, 100. Oh my God, stretch. Oh, and that was it. Day 30 is done, finished, completed. Thank you so much for joining me in this awesome challenge. Thank you for sticking with me. 30 days is amazing progress. It's so much work, consistent, focused work. Well done. And keep in mind, tomorrow we're starting a brand new challenge here on my YouTube channel, so check it out. We're gonna finish the year strong. 23 days of amazing work. See you tomorrow here.